Hi ladies, as I promised, I'm back. I told you I would do a video soon about some of the products that I use and what I really love. So today I'm going to go over my personal favorites. And I'm going to start with a product that's actually an internal product. This is a vitamin complex, and I know so many women today are looking for vitamin complexes or do use them already. And this is one that is for skin and hair. And I was using this for a while and not even thinking about it. After a few weeks went by, I kind of like forgot that I was using it even. And I went to get my hair colored, and my hairdresser was like, wow, what are you doing? Your hair looks so good lately. Like it's in such good health right now. And before that I was having some issues with the dry ends and all that, because whenever you're processing your hair, you have those issues. And she was talking about how great my hair was looking, but not only that, I had all new hair growth, and she was showing me like along my hairline how like all this new growth was coming in, and like an area where I'm usually a little sparse was so much thicker and all new hair. So I was like, wow, this is great. Didn't even realize it was working that well, but I did notice my skin. My skin had more luminosity. I was noticing that right away, and I think it was actually helping with the firmness as well. So I really like this product. I think it's worth trying. So you can get this online. Go to beverlyhillsmd.com. And there's also two other products by them I wanted to show you. One is a serum. This is called Brighten and Tighten. It's a vitamin C serum, but in an oil base. So it's really nice because it actually feels great on the skin. It gives you that slip and hydrates the skin. A lot of times vitamin C serums will feel kind of dry. And I've used a lot of them, and sometimes I can't use them I can't use them that often. Like I can't use them day and night, or I can't use it every day because I start getting flaky and dry from them. But this is just so great because it's in this oil base, and I love it. It just makes your skin look really hydrated and really dewy. So this would go first before you put any other products on. And you use about a dropper full. It's pre-measured. You just use a dropper full. It's enough for your throat and your face. All right, so you're going to use that all over. You can even use it around the eye area. And then the cream that I use now is called Lift and Firm. And this is a tightening, firming cream by Beverly Hills MD. And this is used on the areas where you want to firm the skin. You can use it all over, or you can use it just on those areas. So you can use it, say, if it's just around your mouth area and your jawline and neck, you want to use it on just those areas. Just use it there over the serum, and you can use something else on the areas above where maybe it's more lines or wrinkles that are your issue. So you can combine those two kinds of creams. They do make another cream that would address more lines and wrinkles, okay? Or you can use this day and night. It's up to you. Another cream too that's sort of similar to those, I just wanted to bring it up because it's worth bringing up and it's been around a long time. It's the Kiehl's. Not a new product, but I just wanted to let you know that this is also a product that's a multi-correctional product. It will firm the skin, it lifts the skin, and it helps retexturize the skin. So this is really good if your luminosity has not been that great. You've noticed your skin's getting dull and dry looking, and you want more firmness. This is going to give you multiple benefits. I do like this product too. So I go on and off. Sometimes I'll use this, sometimes I'll use the other one. It depends. And the all-time favorite product for lashes is a serum that I use. I use Revitalash Advanced. This is an eye serum that will help. If you look at my eyelashes, I mean, it really boosts your lashes. It'll thicken and lengthen within 3 to 4 weeks. And I've been using this, I don't know. I've been using this a long time. It's probably been like, 5 years by now. And sometimes I'll go off it for a little bit and just let them go a little bit, and then I'll bring it back in. But I would say within 3 or 4 weeks, you see a huge difference. Now the Advanced is stronger. There is a regular Revitalash formula, but this is the Advanced. So the Advanced is going to give you more dramatic results, and it's going to give you results faster. So it's up to you. You can try the other one and see if that works for you. It's a little less expensive, but I do find that this is actually better. It just seems to give my lashes a lot more, length. All right, so that's it. This is the stash. So let me know how you make out. I hope you try some of these products, and let me know if you love them as much as I do. If you have other products you want to share with us, and let us know what works for you, or you have questions, you can leave it in the comments section, and I'll get back to you and try to answer whatever I can and help you in any way. Stay tuned. I'm going to have more stuff coming up. Some more seasonal makeup products, makeup, skincare, and we'll do some clothing segues too. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon.